Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to report any pin on your account on Pinterest easy and quick. First click here and now here we'll find report pin. Click on it and here just choose uh, any problem here and that's it. Click report and it will be reported. That's how to report any pin on your account on Pinterest easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.